Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fajar Doni Batiar, and so yeah, this is my fourth video tutorial in English. And yeah, my English is not very good, but I will try my best in this video. Okay, and previously we have already learned implement some design um from Figma, and today I think so what be before this tutorial we implement some design like this, but we use a template, and I think today we will make some procedure, make some function calling TFrame, and in this template I have some function, and yeah, this is a function calling the frame. In here you can see then create frame before this main form showing, this will be create so on. So this procedure create frame here, and you can see here it's create some or calling the frame. So in this video we will make some procedure and function to calling the frame, and we build from 0, and we can close this project, and we will new multi-device application and choose blank application. Okay, so here you can change caption with my form and rename it with fmine. After that you can save this to tutorial and YouTube part 3. This is fourth. I think call frame like this, and this is where mine prg call frame. So don't forget to change or resize this value with client height is 720, and this is 360. Okay, like this. And now we will add layout here, and yeah, make it set to content, then rename it with low mine or low frame. So this layout, it will be place some frame to here to low frame, and after that we can add a new unit here. So save this unit, make some folder, for example source, and this is go frame, and here we can copy here. So interface, okay, and then here, okay, so can create a TFrame class, is class of TFrame, and txec, this is procedure of object. Okay, this is for execute some procedure. After that, we can create the frame helper. Let's class helper for TFrame, and here we can create some procedure. So let's approach. This is the approach default nil, and this is a procedure for showing the frame, and create one more. It's height. Approach is the approach default nil, and procedure close function call frame. Its result is TFrame, and parameter, it's a parent, take control, class run class, and this is name for identity for this frame. So, and we can click here, ctl+save plus save. Okay, so it's called frame, close, and height, and so. And now we will add some code here and inside call frame. But before this, we will make one more class. It's for list frame. So new class here, and it's a frame to list and take control. So, oh, I'm sorry, it's just not equal, but it's like this. So to control, add some use here. It's system dot generic collection, and one variable is the string list. Okay, so make some procedure here. Procedure hide all, procedure show, and identity for TFrame is name, for example, string, and then function is get frame. The result is control here, and here it's name string. So we can use this for showing the some frame with this name here, fname or identity, but we can use these two, get frame, and the result is the control. Okay, so here constructor, let's create sorry, destructor, it's destroy. Okay, override, and we can click this on the keyboard, so we can have this. Okay, after that here, so, and here okay, fine. So list frame is the list frame. Okay, And now create procedure showing. This is okay. So add some code here, and we can add code. So like this, if not async, we must check this list frame here. So before we execute some we calling the frame, we need to create this class list frame here. Here list frame, it's list frame creates, and if not async, self then begin. Okay, so not async, else begin. So the result is self. Okay, and here it's try except. On exception do begin end. Here so message, it's a message plus here the class from class name. Okay, and here inside try catch, try except, self is of class. This is of class dot create. Oh my god. Thing insert. Okay, new. Self of class here. Self dot parent is a parent, and self visible true. Self line, this is the line dot known. Self dot width is a parent width, and self dot height is a parent dot height. And don't forget to set anchor here. So we can set anchor like this, the anchor kind equal left, the anchor kind dot akar top, anchor kind dot akar right, and for the last anchor dot bottom like this. So we can reposition the TFrame. X it's 0, self dot position dot y it's 0, and here list frame, and we can add this frame inside this list frame. Okay, so we can do like this, frame dot add and self list frame dot list. This is self of name, so this is for the identity from this frame, and this is self the control or TFrame. And don't forget set result, here it's self like this. And after that, on the close procedure, we I think this is a close self dot dispose. So this is for the this free the TFrame, and here close and hide here. Okay, if async self, then begin, and oops, myself visible false. If async the approach, so we can execute the procedure here, approach like this, and here add some thing to create. So in this procedure on procedure show, we can add the code like this. So we need to declare some variable here. It's for routine. This is the method, and for exec. This is for the exec. Okay, here. So if async self, then begin. Okay, like this is self visible true. After that, if async this approach, then we can execute the procedure. And here routine data is pointer. Oh, I'm sorry, pointer self. Okay, and add one more code self method address. This is some procedure inside TFrame, and we will call this procedure after showing or set visible the frame. So the default for a procedure inside frame is first show like this. So this is you can set this is up to you, but I use this name for show. And after that, if not async routine code, then exit. But if this method is available inside a frame, we execute the procedure. So like this to execute exec and routine. Okay, I think routine. This is not routine, but it's okay. It's routine. Routine. Okay. Exec like this. Okay. Exec spot expression. The exec routine. Okay, let's try this. We got error here. Expression. Let's check here. Procedure of the object. The exec procedure of object. Font. The exec. I think here we need declare here. Oh, I see. So we need to declare some this variable inside here, not inside on this begin end. So but inside here. Okay. And this is for class helper. And here inside create tailist frame. Okay, so I think we can like do this. Tailist, this is the control, and then create. And one more, it's list. Oh my gosh, the string list dot create. And on destroy, we can destroy this variable. Before destroy, we need frame dot dispose of and list dot dispose of, like this. And on the function get frame, we can do like this. Result is nil, this default result. And if name it's null or empty, so we can exit. And okay, so for e 0 and list dot count. Oh my gosh, to begin we will find the list this lname inside this list. So you can do like this. If lowercase and lname equal lowercase list and the index, and then begin break here. After that, and result it's l frame, it's e. So this index is l frame and lname is some index, because here it's l frame and list it's like this. So self and fname. So and okay, and the end, we can add this new so message here is frame and lname, it's not font. Okay, and here so we can add the code frame. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Frame. This is the control, and for a frame, not use this, but we can do like this. Frame dot frame to begin. So frame it's visible false. Okay, and on the I think we do the same like this, but this is frame it's still control. After that, here if okay, if lname it's empty, and then exit. But if not lframe, it's get frame lname like this. So if not async this control lframe, then exit. Lframe is visible true because this is a procedure with showing this or calling the frame. So this is set visible true on the TFrame. So we can do like this. We can just copy this. Okay, then copy paste here. So routine data, and this is lframe, and lframe method address for so if async. Okay, blah 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 blah. If not async. Okay, so just like this for the calling the frame. This is some procedure and function to call the frame. Okay, and after that we need to add some frame here. We need to add, I think, 3 frame. Oh, sorry. This is add new and then other. You can find TFrame here, individual files. So then click OK. Okay, like this, and then it's like 720. Size it's 360, and you can set this TFrame with default frame. So we can save here 2 frames, and this is FR10, for example, like this, and you can rename this to ftem. Okay, frame. Okay, what? Okay, so after that, okay, inside here you can add ftem. It's tf like this, and here you can add publish is procedure first so procedure fn go back. So this is procedure first, so it's first execute after showing the TFrame, and this is fn go back. It's a procedure for if you click the navigation on Android, navigation back, so this is will be execute, and we can add some code inside on the main form, and even key up. Okay, so just delete this, and yeah, can click GDrive plus shift plus C. Okay, and this is for the okay. So public. Okay, and then okay. Inside private we can add some variable so this is boolean, and a procedure set frame. So we can add here, and this is if so, and then exit, and f show is true. So this is can add like this, self dot with its take control, and self dot parent. This is width, and here just copy this to height and position, self dot position dot x 0, self dot position dot y is 0. Okay, and don't forget to set anchor, but here it's already set the anchor. Okay, this is like this. Okay, and okay, after that we can call the set frame here, and then up and back. Okay, so we can add some new unit here. This is for mine to save mine procedure and function and other. So we can copy this, okay, like this, and then okay, okay, so okay, we will create some procedure here. Procedure create frame, and procedure, this is go frame, and here it's a from and f go, from frame, and the destination is what frame we will set visible, and this is from it's what frame it will be visible false. Okay, so this is 3, and f is back boolean, and default it's false. So this is for go back the frame, and yeah, okay, just copy this and paste here. Oops, can add here begin and okay, and then here create frame. So in here we can sorry, I think okay, if I go one procedure more, oops, procedure f and back. This is approach, it's the approach, and the default it's nil, and we can copy paste here, and we can add. Okay, okay, this is so go back on FRTM, so we can add this use unit, so bf amine, and this is fn back. Right, this error is from EDA, from delphi. We can close the delphi and then reopen, just like that, and error will be disappear. Okay, and after that we can close this go frame, and here, so open back, create frame. We can add some frame here, so we can save as for example, this is frame for loading, and we can rename this frame loading, and then we can add the fr temp this. After that we can save as and rename it with for example login, and don't forget to rename this login. Okay, and then add one more frame frtem, so we can save as and rename with fr home, for example. Yeah, after that okay, like this. So we can rename this ftem with fhome. Okay, so we can go back on BFA mine and use the TFrame, this tree. So add some new unit here and save with BFA mine. BFA.env environment. This is for set variable or parameter, and this error because the delphi. Okay, and inside here const, it's c loading. This is for loading, and c login. This is for login, and one more is home. This is for home. Okay, and then we will use the env, and okay, so this error we can close all and reopen. I don't know why it's happened on if we add a new frame. I think this is bug from delphi, and okay, let's this is okay, and here, so inside create frame, you can add this is loading, and loading. This is loading dot call frame, oh sorry, we I forgot to add this BFA frame, and call frame fmine, don't forget here this unit. This is fmine dot low frame, and this is the loading, so g loading. just like this. This is we can copy paste here, and then we can change this like this. This is f login, and this is login, tf login, and here is login, and the last, this is for f home, and this is tf home, this is home. Okay, just like this, and after that okay, create frame, go frame. So inside fn go frame we can do this. If not async list frame, get frame f go, then we can and see so message is sorry, something wrong. Okay, go frame. Don't, I forgot to add some variable here. For it's go frame and from frame. This is string. Okay, go frame. It's go, and from frame it's from. If not f is back, then f list f is go. Wait, I forgot f is go. Oh, here is wait, equals oh, here. Okay, open this and copy here, paste here, and here can f list go. It's the list string list. Okay, and then on the frame you can use this bit of the destroy. This is even on destroy, so you can add f list go dot dispose of, and then sorry, list frame dot dispose of. Okay, okay, so here event is back. So if list go dot add, this is go frame. So this is this data is for if we calling this procedure, and then we find this identity for TFrame, and then we will set showing the frame the last frame. So okay, just okay. And then here inside here you can add a frame and so go frame. Okay, so okay, and then here on go back, if go frame equal loading and then exit. Okay, then begin and else begin. Go frame. If this is loading, let's exit. But if you want, if go frame equal login or go frame equal home, then begin. Oh my gosh. Then begin. Inside here you can add f tab count is integer, and here you can add tab count it's 0, and here if go login home, if f tab count equal zero, and then begin and else begin. Okay, this is not 0 but 1, and here a so message tap twice, tap twice, then for exit application, and inside here it's increment of tab count. Okay, like this, and then here exit login go frame. Okay, so exit, okay, and then here it's application dot terminate. Okay, just like that, and then we will showing the frame on even on so inside main form. Okay, and on create here so let's check this if okay, so yeah, if not async f let's go, then f let's go test string list dot create. Okay, and after that after that we add some code here. It's create frame. Okay, then here fn go frame. The first call frame is like this, so we can add the identity for loading. This is identity for frame loading. Okay, and then we can add some label here. This is set center, for example, yeah, and this is center, this is loading, and then you can set here hit test it set true, and then you can double click here and fn go to frame. This is from frame. Oh no, sorry, I forgot to add this use unit and this. Okay, we don't need this. This is from frame, and then C login, for example, and okay, fn home. So here, set here. Don't forget to copy paste to here and paste. Oh, it's already have main, so we can use here like this. Okay, and do this for a login. Use unit bfrenv. Okay, so we can copy paste the label here and paste here. This is frame home, and this is a frame for login, and double click here and do fn go frame, and this is from sorry, this is go frame, and then see home. Sorry, go back on fn loading and double click here. This is go frame. Go frame, it's the last call the frame, and the last call frame is loading here. So this is the last call frame, and this is the destination. Okay, and this is fn home, and this is login. Okay, login. So we can try these apps. I see. This is loading, login. Okay. Okay, so I think something wrong here. BFR go frame. On go here. So inside here, I think we have async l list frame and get frame. It's from frame, and then list frame dot get frame from frame. This is dot visible false. Okay, we can try again. Okay, this is still error here. Okay, I'll go frame. I think, I forgot to add here this frame dot hide all. Okay, then we can running again. Okay, like this. You can click here, login and home, and this is but it's not on center. Let's check the here. I think self control. How about if I set this is self dot align take align contact. Let's try. And so it's going center. I don't know why oh, I forgot. This is not, oh, yeah, this is height, not width. Okay, and then like this. So we can change this on all frame, and don't forget change add here and frame f item. This is change this, and don't forget to use unit. This is okay, and then save all, and we got that. We already have a procedure and function to calling the frame. And let's try with f and go back, and this is home, and we can set this is f and go back. So we can running this and login. If I click login and then going to home, but this is inside this label, it's have on click label click, it will be go back on login. Top. Oh, I'm sorry, this function is so inside here. Here, if go frame is equal login, and it will be tapped twice for exit application, so it will be exit application, just like this. And for the test f and go back, we will add a new frame. For example, we can save as and fr detail, and don't forget to rename this to fr detail, sorry, f detail. We can change after with f detail. Okay, and then inside here c detail, and this is for detail. Here we can change this. Don't forget to use fr detail, and then this is f detail and tf detail, and this is g detail. Okay, this is ignore this error, because the delphi, and then we can copy this and paste here, and this change with detail. Double click here and fn go back, and inside here home, we can change this to fn go frame. Sorry, fn go frame. It's you can type like this, home, and destination is detail. We can running this. So loading after I click this, and then we'll be going to login and home and going to detail. But if I click this detail, it will be go back on home frame. Sorry, it's wrong inside here. Oh, I forgot to add some code here. Okay, so here you can add some code here. I forgot, sorry. And then is this if async approach then approach then begin. It's approach, and then this is event go frame, and list go. It's list go dot count -1, and then list go. It's list go dot count -2, and then set true. So this true, it will be is back. So if this is this parameter set true, it will be not at the destination frame. Okay. Okay, here f is go delete let's go dot count -1. Okay, we can close this and recompile. Loading, login, home, and detail. If I click this, it will be going to f home. Something wrong again. Yes. What? Fn go frame and f not is go back of count and so machines. Let's check the double click. It's fn go back and then fn back. Loading login detail. If it will be not execute this code because this is the exit. So we can move this side here. If go from okay, and recompile again. Loading login home detail, and it will be going to f home. So like this. Okay, home detail here. It's showing message. It's because I add some message here. Okay, if you want execute some procedure before you will be go back, you can add some procedure here. For example, it's inside here fn back, you can type here procedure begin end, and for example so message this is procedure before go back. So you can add like this and running home. Okay, this is so message, and then it will be go back to f home like this. Okay, so I think it's yeah, this is a tutorial for today, and if you don't understand what I mean, you can comment below. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, this tutorial, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.